Yes. Today we will discuss about properties of quadrilateral. Properties of quadrilateral. Properties of quadrilaterals. First is your parallelograms. First is your parallelograms. A, B, C, D. In parallelogram, opposite side are equal. In parallelogram, opposite side are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Equal. AB is equal to AB is equal to BC and AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. As we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. As we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. OA, OA. This portion is equal to OC. OC. And OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OD. OD is equal to OB. This portion is equal to this portion. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Second one is diagonals of a parallelograms bisect each other. Bisect each other. It means OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD. OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In parallelogram, opposite side are equals. In parallelogram, opposite side are equals and diagonals bisect each other. And diagonals bisect each other. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now next is rectangle. Next is your rectangle. Second one is rectangle. In rectangle, A, B, C, D. opposite side are equals. In rectangle opposite side are equals. In rectangle opposite side are equals. Opposite sides are equal. It means AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Diagonals of rectangles are equals. Diagonals of rectangle are equals. In parallelogram, diagonals of rectangles are not equal. Bisect each other. पैरेललोग्राम में क्या होता है, डायगोनल जो होते हैं वो इक्वल नहीं होते, लेकिन रेक्टेंगल में क्या होते हैं, डायगोनल इक्वल होते हैं. इन पैरेललोग्राम डायगोनल्स आर नॉट इक्वल्स. इन रेक्टेंगल डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल्स. इन रेक्टेंगल diagonals are equal. It means AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Print out any problems? Yeah. रेक्टेंगल में एक कंडीशन लिख लेना. पैरेललोग्राम्स में इन पैरेललोग्राम डायगोनल्स आर नॉट इक्वल. थर्ड कंडीशन लिख लेना पैरेललोग्राम में. इन पैरेललोग्राम डायगोनल्स आर नॉट इक्वल्स. डायगोनल्स आर नॉट इक्वल. AC नॉट इक्वल टू BD. इसमें लिखोगे फर्स्ट पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है. AC not equal to BD. In rectangle, diagonals are equals. Opposite side are equal. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now third one is rhombus. Rhombus. ABCD. ABCD. In rhombus, all sides are equals, but diagonals are not equals. In rhombus, all sides are equals. In rhombus, all sides are equals. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. DA. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. In rhombus, all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Second condition. Diagonals in rhombus, diagonals are not equals. Diagonals are not equals. Are not equal. AC is not equal to BD. Any
AC
doubt?
is not equals to BD. Sudden both parallelogram and rhombus diagonals are formed.
हाँ. In rectangle and square diagonals are equals.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now your fourth point. Yes. Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
What is the doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, in parallelogram, thus opposite sides are also equal.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now the next one is fourth point. Karti, you are joining your class late. Why?
No, sir, you're taking time to me, so it was asking always password and everything.
I am observing that for 2 days you are joining the class late. Square.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, square. A, B, C, D. All sides are equals. Diagonals are equals. In square, all sides are equals. All sides are equals. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. And your second one is diagonals of square are equals. Of a square are equals. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Any doubt? Any problems?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No problems?
No.
Yes. Do it fast.
No.
Collinear points. Collinear points. Collinear. Collinear points. Collinear points are those points which lie on a straight line. That is A, that is your B, and that is your C. That is your C. If 3 or more points lie on a straight line, if 3 or more points lie on a straight line, that is called collinear points. Collinear points. That is called collinear points. Listen to me. First of all, we will find the distance AB by using distance formula. AB will find out. AB will find out by using distance formula. BC will find out by using distance formula. And AC and complete AC will find out by using distance formula. AC will find out by using distance formula. Now AC is equal to AB plus BC. If this condition is satisfied, if this condition is satisfied, satisfied.
हम देख लेंगे अपने आप।
हम टीचर्स को ही कह देते हैं अपना आप।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
If this condition is satisfied,
और इसका substitution
ठीक है, one second, one second. If this condition is satisfied, then given points are collinear. Then given points are collinear. Yes.
So please.
Yes, we will find out the AB, distance AB and distance BC. We will add AB and BC. What will be equal to AC? That will be equal to AC. If AC is equal to AB plus BC, then the given points are collinear. Otherwise, the given points are non-collinear. Yes. Any doubt? Any problems? Yes. Second condition is that but the topic of area of triangle is related by CBSE this year also previous year, and the condition is that if area of triangle is equal to 0, then the given points are collinear. But we cannot use that method because CBSE has reduced that method. So we will use this method only. We will use this method only. In class 12th, yes. Yes, Pragati.
Yes, sir. What is the name of this formula? Means if question comes that which formula it is, then what we have?
Distance formula we will use. We will use distance formula. Okay. I am completing your exercise in introduction. When I will start the exercise, you will feel that we have completed the exercise. Okay. Now next point is equidistant. Have you done or not?
Yes, sir.
Have you done or not?
Sir, what you were saying just right before when I asked the doubt in 12th class, what you were saying?
Yeah, collinear points in vector. In vector चैप्टर में वेक्टर है आपके वहां पे भी कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स का एक क्या कांसेप्ट आया हुआ है, ठीक है, वेक्टर्स के अंदर। तो यहाँ पे अभी हम किस कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री पढ़ रहे हैं, यहाँ पे इसी को बढ़िया, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my next topic is equidistant. What is equidistant term? Equidistant. Equidistance. Equi means equal, distant means distance. Equal distance. आपके पास एक पॉइंट है P x y. That is equal distance from a x1, y1, and this is distance that is B x2 and y2. आपके पास एक पॉइंट है P x y. ये क्या है, इसकी डिस्टेंस क्या है, एक पॉइंट से। जैसे सपोज करो कि ये डिस्टेंस आपके पास 4 यूनिट्स है और PB भी क्या है, 4 यूनिट्स है। क्या है, 4 यूनिट्स है। तो इक्वल डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है। जैसे मान लो क्या है, ये घर किसका है, ये हमारा स्कूल है सपोज करो, और ये प्रगति का घर है, और ये किसका है, प्रिया तिवारी का घर है, ठीक है ना। जो इक्वल डिस्टेंस के ऊपर क्या है, इक्वल डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है। तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे PA = PB है कि नहीं है?
Yes.
Why? Why? Both the distance are equal. So we will find out the PA by using distance formula. PA by distance formula. PB by distance formula. PB by distance formula.
So would you have tried the
One second. distance formula. After finding the value, we can equalize it. PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB because equidistant. तो ये क्या है? Equidistant है. Yes. Now any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it is an MCQ test in term 1, so we can use any method.
Yeah, you can use. You can use.
Okay, sir. Answer like in MCQ examination term 1 in math subject and topic, sir, we have to be solving questions will also be.
Now,
Yes, sir.
exercise 7.1. Question number first part. Find the distance between the flowing points. First, that is first point A. A is your 2 and 3, and your second point is B. That is your 4, 1. 4, 1. Now this is your A point. A is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. That is your x1. That is your y1. That is your x2. That is your y2. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
No.
Distance AB by using distance formula. Distance AB. AB by using distance formula. Using distance formula. Distance formula. Square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Yes. What is your x2? 4. x2 is 4. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 whole square. What is y2?
Sir, 1 minus 3.
1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
4 minus 2 square of 2, and that is minus 2. Minus 2 square.
Minus 2 square.
The square of 2 is
4 plus 4 square.
yes 4. Minus square will be plus. Minus 2. Minus 2 can be written as minus 2 into minus 2.
Minus 2
Minus minus plus.
into minus 2, so it will be plus.
Okay. Now it becomes 8. Prime factorization of A. 2 into 2 into 2. Pairing of like factors. Pairing of like prime factors. If 2 and 2, it becomes 1. It will come outside. That is 2 root 2. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Question number 1, third part. A, that is your A, B, and B, that is your minus A minus B.
And we will just apply the formula.
That is your x1, that is your y1, that is your x2, that is your y2. Distance AB, distance AB. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus a, and in formula there is minus sign. x1 is a, and now
No, sir.
No, sir.
plus y2 is minus b. In formula there is minus sign, and y1 is b, that is square, whole square. Now minus a
Plus minus 2a.
minus plus sign will be minus.
Minus 2a.
Minus plus minus 2.
Minus 2b. Minus 2b.
4a square, 4b square. Yeah, what is common? 4 common. A square plus b square.
B square.
Yes.
A square B square.
Square root of 4 is? Square root of 4 is?
2.
2.
2.
A square plus b square. Any doubt, any problems?
Sir, please throw a bit out. No.
Determine the points 1, 5, 2, 3. A 1, 5, B 2, 3, C
B minus 11.
minus
2.
minus 11.
Minus 2.
Yes. We have to check that the given point A, B and C are collinear or not. क्या करें बताइए? बताइए क्या करें? Please tell me what is the procedure to check that the given points are collinear or not?
So first we found A plus C raise your hand.
Yes.
Yes, sir, please tell not to interrupt and
Pragati, Kashish, Pragati, pin of silence. Distance AB. You are studying 10th standard. Please cooperate to each other. Distance AB. First of all, we will find out AB. After that, we will find out BC. After that, we will find out AC. If AC is equal to AB plus BC, then the given points are collinear. Otherwise, the given points are not collinear. AB, for AB, we will use point A and B. The coordinate of point A will be x1, y1, and the coordinate of point B will be x2, y2. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 x2, that is your 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus 5. Any doubt, any problems?
Oh, sir.
We are talking about points A and B. I am talking about the points A and B. You have to observe the points only A and B. Now 2 minus 1, 1 square, that is minus 2 square. 1 square of 1 is 1 and minus 2 square 4. That is your root 5. Root 5. Root 5. Now distance BC. Distance BC. Distance BC. Distance BC. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1
16 अगस्त को चलेंगे तो आया ना।
यूजुअल पीजी के लिए है, स्कूल के लिए नहीं।
सर स्कूल के लिए है।
नहीं, उसको पूरा पढ़ेंगे। यूट्यूब की बात नहीं सर। हाँ, मैंने सर को बताया।
x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus y2. What is y2?
Sir, minus 11.
Minus 11 minus 3. Minus 11 minus 3 whole square.
minus 14.
Minus 4 plus minus 14 whole square. Minus 4 square is 16 and minus 14 square is 196. It becomes 212.
Yes, sir.
212. 212. Now we will find out AC. Distance AC. Distance AC. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 y2 minus y1 minus 11 minus 5 5 is plus or minus minus.
Sir, it is plus, but we will do minus.
Okay, okay. Now that is minus 3 square minus 16 square. Square of minus 3 is 9 and that is 256. It becomes 265. अगर if you find out the prime factorization of 216, अगर इसके prime factorization करते हैं
84 root 2, 4 root
2, it becomes 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2, 53. It means 2 into 2 into 53. 2 root 53.
Yes, sir.
And your next will be root 5 and that is first one is root 5 and that will become same and 265 prime factorization of 265 5 are 25,000 no benefit same as it is same as it is. Now please check that AC is equal to AB plus BC. Yes or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
AC is equal to
AC is not equal. AC equals
Yeah, we conclude that AC is not equal to AB plus BC.
AB plus B.
Yeah. We conclude that AC is not equal to AB plus BC. What is your AC? AC is your AC.
Root 265.
We conclude that. Let's ऐसे लिखिए. What is your AC? What is your AC?
Root 265, sir. Root 265. 265.
AC is root 265. What is AB plus BC? AB is root 5 and your BC is 2 root 53.
Correct, sir.
इनको ऐड करते हैं तो ऐड करने में मतलब ऐड होंगे नहीं है. So AC not equal to AB plus BC. So the given points are not collinear. So the given points are not collinear. Any doubt? Any problems?